Hello guys, Jail here from Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money to Charles Schwab account. So to do this, it's pretty simple. So here, all you have to do actually is have your account ready, and then all you have to do is go to Move Money, and then Online Transfer. So here, you can set up your transfer right here, and then you'll have to link or delete an external account. So you want to press Continue and Continue. From there, you'll have to select a Schwab account. So just select one and then add the external bank account information. So we're going to select savings and if you're a account holder on the external bank account. Next, you'll have to set up the transfer again. Go back to the first page. And then once you set up your transfer right here, as you can see, you can do cash only. And then right here, after cash only, you will have to select the account where you want from and then select the cash amount and frequency and the transfer date. From there, you'll have to review, as you can see, the transfer and you're basically done. And that is how you transfer money to Charles Schwab account. It's just that simple. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.